Unit 6 Vowel Sounds and Spelling List. This chart shows the most common sounds that the vowels O and U make. The 42 words on this page are your spelling list for this unit. You have already learned these sounds: olive, rose, mustard, blue, purple, and orange. The last vowel sounds are brown, wooden, and turquoise. We will focus on these sounds in this unit, as well as more ways to spell the sound orange and comparing different words with O and U. Words with olive: got, gone, abroad, bought. Words with rose: go, home, boat, tow, low, though. Words with mustard: sun, some, does, cut, country, blood. Words with blue: do, move, shoe, future, cute, true, soup, tour, food. Words with purple: work, turn, journal. Words with orange: or, more, board, for, door. Words with brown: now, house, hour. Words with wooden: woman, put, could, good. Words with turquoise: boil, boy. Words spelled with the letter O: got, go, sun, do, woman. Words spelled with O, then any consonant, then E: gone, home, some, move. Words spelled with OR: work, or. Words spelled with ORE: more. Words spelled with OA: abroad, boat. Words spelled with OAR: board. Words spelled with OE: toe, does, shoe. Words spelled with U: cut, future, put. Words spelled with U, then a consonant, then E: cute. Words spelled with UE: true. Words spelled with UR: turn. Words spelled with OW: low, now. Words spelled with OU: bought, though, country, soup, house, could. Words spelled with OUR: tour, journal, for, hour. Words spelled with OO: blood, food, good. Words spelled with OOR: door. Words spelled with OI: boil. Words spelled with OY: boy.